How would you like to start investing in real estate using none of your own cash or credit while working a full-time job, investing in properties that look just like this? Stay with me for the next few minutes and I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 to $10,000 using none of your own cash, none of your own credit, and not even having a real estate license. Just come with me. Hi, my name is Darren Smith, and for nearly a decade, I've been able to close 400 real estate transactions. And not only that, I've been able to help people with full-time jobs do the same thing. This past 3 months alone, I've been able to help dozens of students close 6 figures in real estate transactions. By following the system I'm about to teach you in a few seconds, I've been able to close half my real estate transactions without ever having to meet the seller, without even having to go visit the properties. And I've been able to do this with a full-time job for the past 8 years. I've been able to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month doing this one simple step. I've been able to locate tired landlords who own properties that look just like this, getting endless phone calls about their toilets, their roofs from tenants that's just not been taking great care of their properties. And the good thing about this, y'all, 23 million evictions have been processed in the US this year alone. And let me make this super simple for you to understand. Okay, let me show you how this process works. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and locate some tired landlords. These are people that might be going through evictions with their tenants. They just might be tired of the property. It's been giving them a headache. And what we want to do is we want to make them a cash offer. And let's say we make them a cash offer on this property for $50,000. So what we want to do is write up a one-page contract for $50K. Let's just say that the property is worth $100,000 after it's fixed up. It needs some repair. The tenants messed it up. It needs some repair. So what we got to do now is we got to go ahead and find some cash buyers for the property. And the way we go about doing that, Facebook Marketplace. I sold a ton of deals and found a ton of cash buyers on Facebook Marketplace. And let's say that the cash buyer, we sell it to the cash buyer for $60K. So again, we got to write up another one-page contract with the cash buyer for $60K contract. And all we're doing is selling our contract. So what just happened here? We just created a win-win-win situation. A win for the tired landlord because he's been having issues with the property. He now gets to get rid of it and he gets to make $50,000. In the process, we make $10K profit. $10K profit for us. And all we did was sell our contract to a cash buyer. Remember, it's a win for the cash buyer because the property is worth $100K after it's fixed up. So he has a great asset. But we're not quite done though. The last thing we gotta do is we gotta send both these contracts to the title company. The title company are the ones responsible for cutting the checks, making sure that the paperwork is right, and processing everything. And it's really that simple. So listen, if you're ready to take the next steps with real estate investing, using none of your own cash, none of your own credit, no construction experience, all by working your 9 to 5, then I invite you to my web class where I go over into super detail how you're able to make $5,000 to $10,000 starting in literally a week or two. So look, just click the link I believe is right here. Pick a time that works for you, and it'll ask for your email and your name. And then once you submit it, you will go ahead and get a confirmation email and you're all set to go. And trust me, with everything that's going on right now, you definitely don't want to miss this. It's no better time to get into real estate. So again, just click the link right here and I'll see you on the other side.